Quartz Insight presents the activation of QiBates on Google Sheet and Excel 365. First, what is QiBates? This is the SaaS solution that allows you to access your EPM data from anywhere within your Google Cloud and Microsoft environments. Simple, secure, and requires no installation. Today, CIOs and finance departments face several challenges. How to migrate to the cloud while preserving data history. How to avoid the costly maintenance of heavy applications. How to enable remote work without compromising security. How to guarantee application performance and accessibility for our users. QiBates addresses these challenges with a 100% cloud solution integrated directly into your daily tools, with no maintenance, no installation, and automatic updates. And most importantly, its code is validated by Google and Microsoft to guarantee the security of your data, so your teams can work from their favorite tools, Excel or Google Sheets, with all the power of your EPM solutions, with no training for immediate adoption. Its activation is ultra-fast on Google Sheets. Go on the Extensions menu, Add-ons, and search for QiBates. Click on Install and accept the terms. And there you go, the plugin opens on the side of your sheet. Once activated, the add-in is accessible and functional, and you can start using it directly. You can also have your Google Cloud Administrator handle this activation for you. On Excel, it's just as simple. Go into the Insert menu, and in the Add-ins store, search for QiBates. And add it. The add-in appears in a new tab in the ribbon. Same experience here, you can enjoy of an immediate use, connection, and navigation through your data sources. You can also have your Microsoft Administrator perform this operation for you. In conclusion, QiBates enables access to your EPM data directly within your cloud tools from anywhere, without technical constraints. So, be ready to transform your performance management with simplicity.